Hello everyone, welcome to konyaTech. Terraform is the most demanding software for automation in IT industry. So what makes the Terraform so different with other softwares? Let's find out in our Terraform tutorial. So our today's agenda is why Terraform, what is a Terraform, Terraform Lifecycle, how does Terraform works, Terraform installation, and then lastly the hands-on practice. So let's go to the why Terraform. When we are having so many softwares, other softwares like a Salt, Stack, Chef, Puppet, and Ansible, and Terraform. But the Terraform is most demanding in the market. So why IT industry preferring the Terraform? What makes the Terraform different with these other softwares? Let's find out. The first difference is it does orchestration, not just configuration management. It supports multiple providers such as AWS, Azure, Oracle, and Google Cloud Platform, and many more. So, it also provides immutable infrastructure where configuration changes smoothly. And the third one is declarative code. So, declarative code uses easy to understand language. So, HCL, HashiCorp configuration language, easily portable to any other provider, and it supports a client-only architecture, so no need for additional configuration management on a server. So that's why it is a masterless, no need of any agent to configure. So few other advantages are here. So it prevents the configuration drift, easy collaboration, no separate documentation needed, and it's very flexible. So what is a Terraform? Terraform is an open source infrastructure as a code software tool created by HashiCorp and written in the Go programming language, used by DevOps teams to automate infrastructure tasks. Terraform can build, change, and destroy infrastructure on your preferred cloud provider. So, cloud provider can be AWS, Azure, Google Cloud Platform, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or Alibaba Cloud, any cloud provider. So it supports mostly available cloud providers. So next, the Terraform Lifecycle. So in Terraform Lifecycle, we are having the four steps. The first one is init, plan, apply, and destroy. So what is the init? In init, the Terraform init step analyzes the code, figures out the provider, and downloads all plugins needed by the provider. Suppose we want to create the EC2 instance in AWS, it will download the AWS plugins and initiate the steps. The second one is a plan. So it builds the topology of all resources and services needed, and in parallel handles the creation of a dependent and non-dependent resources. So what is apply? So apply, Terraform apply command transforms configuration files .tf based on appropriate API calls to cloud providers, automating resource creation seamlessly. So Terraform destroy is used to delete all the old infrastructure resources which are marked tainted after the apply phase. So let's move on. How does Terraform works? Terraform has a two main components that makes up its architecture. The first one is the Terraform core and second one is the providers. So what is a Terraform core? The Terraform core uses two input sources to do its job. The first input source is a Terraform configuration that you as a user configure. Here you define what needs to be created or provisioned, and the second input source is a state where Terraform keeps the up-to-date state of how the current setup of the infrastructure looks like. So what Terraform core does is it takes the input and it figures out the plan of what needs to be done. It compares the state, what is the current state, and what is the configuration that you desire in the end result. It figures out what needs to be done to get to that desired state in the configuration file. It figures what needs to be created, what needs to be updated, what needs to be deleted to create and provision the infrastructure. So let's see how the Terraform installation can be done. We have the Ubuntu server 64-bit. So first we need to create the repository. So here are the commands for repository configuration. And once this configuration done, we can run the command sudo apt install terraform. Thank you so much for joining me in this section. Have a great day.